In this video, I'm going to transfer a Premiere Pro project from my Windows PC to my Mac Mini, and then I'm going to transfer it from the Mac Mini back to the PC. I'm going to start by clicking on this hard drive, which is actually just an SD card. We can see I have some video files. If I click on the Premiere Pro folder, there's not much there. We'll give it some time to open. Depending on the project, it might take 20 seconds to open. It might take 40 seconds to open. But here we see Premiere Pro. We see the video files that I'm using, plus the sequence. We see a manatee, a hippo, manatee, a little river, lake, a hippo again, and then the little river or lake. What I'm going to do is add an effect and drain the color or saturation to black and white. Pretty simple to do. We can tell the one clip of the lake has been drained to black and white, but the other one has not been drained to black and white. I can easily play the project, go in reverse. I am simply using the J, K, and L keys. I can easily use the arrow keys to go to the next clip. Everything's working exactly as you would expect. The only thing left to do now is simply save the project, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to select the SD card icon on my Mac Mini. When I click on this folder, we can tell it's the same video files. It's definitely the same project. You're not seeing the Premiere Pro icon, but you can tell it's a Premiere Pro project. When I did the upgrade to Monterey, it was kind of wonky, so it's kind of cool that I can show people that even if the Premiere Pro icon isn't showing, it'll still open. It's a Premiere Pro project. It's going to take a while. I will probably speed this part up during the editing. As you folks can tell, this is the same exact project that was on my Windows PC. You can tell by the order of the clips. We have the manatee, a hippo, a manatee, and then we have the lake or stream. We can tell the lake or stream is black and white, but the other clip is in color. I want to make both of the video clips of the lake and stream black and white. I'm going to delete the proc amp effect from that one clip, and I'm going to apply that proc amp to the master clip within Premiere Pro. So all instances of that video clip will be drained to black and white, or the saturation will be switched to black and white. As you can tell, this clip is black and white, but so is the other clip. That is exactly what you should expect. I can use the J, K, and L keys as well as the arrow keys. Everything's working 100% correct. At this point, the only thing I need to do is save this project and bring it back to the Windows PC. When I click on the SD card on my Windows system, we can see the Mac Mini left 2 additional folders. That's just the way the Apple operating system works. As you folks can tell, the other folders are exactly as they should be, so the project will be just fine. We've got to let Premiere Pro open. I might fast forward this a little bit. As everyone can tell, this is the same project that I transported from the PC to the Mac Mini, and now it's back on the PC. And as you can tell, both the clips with that little stream or river are drained to black and white. That's exactly what we wanted. It is very easy to use Adobe Premiere Pro on an Apple computer as well as a Windows computer, and it's really easy to switch the projects between the 2 different operating systems. The only thing you have to keep in mind is that the media that you use must be partitioned and formatted to where it can be used by both operating systems. I will leave links on how to do that in the description box. I will also leave links to external hard drive solutions.